This is MrBeast, the biggest YouTuber on the planet. He's in Nick DiGiovanni's kitchen, where Nick asks him to name some basic kitchen tools. Can you beat him? Let's see if you know more tool names than MrBeast.
We're going to see now if he can identify some basic kitchen tools that everybody, all of you, probably know.
Nick gives MrBeast a fun challenge. Name some everyday kitchen tools. Listen carefully and try to name the tools before MrBeast does. Let's start. What is it?
Measuring cups.
What is it?
Measuring spoons.
Good job, MrBeast. What is it?
Oh gosh.
There's no way you don't get this.
Well, obviously, it's what you drain the water from your pasta with. It's like called like a water drainer or something?
Nope.
This is a strainer, similar to colander, but with finer holes, for straining liquids. MrBeast knew the function, but not the name. What is it?
Giant spoon.
What is it?
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
I've seen people flip things on a grill, but I've never been like, yo, hand me.
Again, MrBeast knows what it does, flipping food on grills and pans, but he doesn't know the name. What is it?
Juice extractor, squeezer, squeeze extractor.
What is it?
Come on, Jimmy.
Again, it's like, Mom, flip the pancakes. That's what I say. I don't go, Mom, grab to flip the pancakes.
Again, MrBeast knows what it does, flipping food on grills and pans, but he doesn't know the name.
What does SpongeBob use?
Spatula.
So there is some hope.
Some hope.
Let's look at the key vocabulary learned from the video clip. Strainer, similar to colander, but with finer holes for straining liquids. Measuring cups, for measuring ingredients accurately. Ladle, long-handled spoon for serving soups and sauces. Tongs, for gripping and turning food while cooking. Lemon squeezer, handheld tool for extracting citrus juice. Microplane, very small grater with tiny holes for making lemon peel pieces or small cheese bits. Rolling pin, for rolling out dough and pastry. Garlic press, for crushing garlic cloves. Pastry brush, for applying butter, egg wash, or glazes. Bench scraper, for cutting dough and cleaning work surfaces. Spatula, for flipping food on grills and pans. Don't feel bad if you didn't know something. Remember, MrBeast is a native English speaker with millions of followers, and he struggled with these words. This shows that even native speakers sometimes don't know specific vocabulary that they don't use regularly. If you knew even one of these kitchen tools, you're already doing great.
So there is some hope.
Some hope?
So there is some hope. There's still a chance you can do better. Want to practice more? Try naming everything in your kitchen in English. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson.